Meet Creative Fabrica Studio AI, a faster way to turn ideas into production-ready creative assets.
Start with a prompt, a product photo, or a rough campaign idea. Studio AI helps you shape visuals, voiceovers, and content variations in one creative flow.
For sellers, marketers, and creators, that means fewer blank pages and more finished work ready to share.
Try Creative Fabrica Studio AI today and bring your next launch from concept to campaign faster.
Ride the lightning. Hear the thunder.